Do you want to lose belly fat while you sleep? It's really important for you to lose that belly fat naturally. These are all totally natural drink. They will boost your metabolism, strengthen your immune system and make you lose body fat. Cucumber and lemon. Both cucumbers and lemons have very little calories, contain plenty of water and are satiating. This makes these ingredients ideals for losing weight at night. Take a look at how to make a cucumber and lemon fat-burning drink for weight loss. You will need 1 lemon, 1 cucumber, 1 spoonful of grated ginger, a handful of parsley, half a glass of water. All you have to do is rinse the fresh ingredients and once clean, blend well in a blender. We recommend drinking this drink before you go to bed so that your body works to assimilate the nutrients while asleep. Lemon and ginger. Both of these ingredients are ideal to help purify the body naturally and, in addition, provide antioxidants for detoxifying. These two ingredients combined help to reduce appetite, improve food digestion and accelerate the metabolism. In addition, lemon is incredibly rich in fiber, which aids in improving intestinal transit and reducing toxins in the body. To make this juice you will need the juice of 1 lemon, half a glass of mineral water, 1 tablespoon of ginger. Then, all you have to do is mix, liquefy the ingredients together and drink before going to bed. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is another great acidic fat-burning drinks which carries a large dosage of vitamin C, a nutrient ideal to help dilute body fat. It's a great weight loss promoter as it helps eliminate fat, is satiating and detoxifies the body. What do you need? 1/2 cucumber, 1 lemon, a pinch of chopped parsley, 1 spoonful of grated ginger, 1 grapefruit, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, half a glass of water. Make sure to clean and peel all of the ingredients and then process them well in a blender. Drink this apple cider drink before you go to bed and make sure you drink a large glass of water when you wake to accelerate the elimination of toxins in the body. Fruits. Fruits such as grapefruit and apples are ideal to help lose weight quickly. These fruits provide us with nutrients, fiber and water, which help to satisfy one's appetite as well as purifying the body and decrease water retention. To make this juice you will need the juice of 1 yellow grapefruit, 1 apple, 1/2 teaspoon grated ginger, 5 mint leaves, 1 glass of mineral water. First, extract the juice from the grapefruit with a juicer. Then, clean and chop the rest of the ingredients and blend all together. You can even add some ice to make the smoothie fresher. This smoothie offers the body a large dose of vitamin C which is very satiating. Enjoy this tasty drink before bed and patiently wait for the results. Thank you so much for watching. Please make the comment below, don't forget to share this video and subscribe to our channel. Please click the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video.